Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video is going to be a quick video announcing my upcoming subscriber appreciation giveaway. So this is going to be my 500 subscriber appreciation giveaway, and this one's going to be a little bit different. So you do obviously have to be subscribed to my channel, and you do have to comment on this videos and my other videos. So between now and when I hit 500, I will put a question in all of my videos between now and then, and you will have to comment on each video answering that question correctly. I will do the first question in this video, and then, like I said, every video after will have one question that you do have to answer correctly in order to be entered. You do have to do it in all of the videos. If you only answer in one or two videos, you will not qualify. You do have to answer all of the questions in all of the videos from now until then. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will add an additional 24 hours so that way everybody has a chance to make sure that they have commented on those videos, and you have a chance to get entered. So once I hit 500, it will remain open for 24 hours, and then after the 24-hour mark, I will close it, and I will announce the winner during a live stream. You do not have to be present in the live stream in order to win, but you, like I said, you do have to follow the rules of this giveaway and be subscribed to my channel and like all my videos between now and then, and answer that one question in every video between now and then in order to be entered. So that is the rules. So for this very first question, it is, I did a review on the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Did I like that palette? So that is the very first question for this giveaway and for this video. So did I like the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette? I did a video on it, so if you don't remember, go back and rewatch it, and be sure to comment on this video with your answers so that way I can enter you. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so very much for watching and subscribing to my channel and supporting me. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.